Hey guys, we're going to do a quick DIY on how to replace your Prius remote battery. It needs a 2032 battery. Just saying that up front. You know because your 2015 to 2019 Prius will actually show an indicator on the dash saying that you're low battery for your remote. So it's a good reminder. It's very convenient. So basically you take the remote, look on the back side where the key is connected. There's going to be a little switch in the back. Go ahead and push that switch and it releases the metal key of your key fob, which is pretty cool. Make sure you buy yourself a 2032 lithium ion battery, 3 volt, and check the expiration. Make sure the expiration is pretty far out there. So that little switch, go ahead and push that switch, and then you use your other hand and just pull that key ring out. So that releases the metal key so you can open the door if in case this key fob is dead. You can also put this key fob next to your on-off switch to turn it on, but to open this key fob, you go ahead and put it in the center part of that key fob. There's a little notch on your metal key to that center part of that key fob, and you go turn it clockwise as if you open a door. Here's a close-up of it. There's a little tiny notch that goes into the center of that spacing in the key fob, and you go turn it clockwise and it cracks open. Simple as that. Basically, you just, that center part fits there. There you go. I could use my fingernails, but I don't think it's that strong. But once you break it apart, basically it snaps off together, and you'll see that you have a 3 volt lithium ion battery 2032. That's right there. There are little tabs on it, and just make sure you understand which direction the silicone goes and the button goes, so you understand the order. But in case, that's why you have this video too. So you're gonna go ahead, there's a little notch on top of it. There's 4 notches that holds the battery together onto your thing. You have to stick either a paper clip or a tiny little nail clipper or a screwdriver on the top and just basically, pry up the battery. It's spring loaded, so it's pretty simple. So be careful, just put it through a little tiny notch and it pops right off. So the bottom 2 notches don't move, the top ones move kind of. They're just basically friction or a little bit of grip. Oop, hey there. Anyways, got our new battery, took it out, and a new battery from the Energizer one actually has a little seal on it, so you go pull off that seal, put it to the side, and we'll go ahead and pop this guy back in. You want to see the letters facing up. The positive goes up, it snaps back in, and we're going to go ahead and snap the casing back together. Just align the silicone buttons with that, as well as the top cover case, and it snaps back together. Okay, let me get this straight first, and let's do it again. And it snaps back together. There you go, you're done. So that's really cool. Now go ahead and just make sure everything is nice and tight, and we'll put the metal key back in as well into the slot until it clicks in, and that should be it. It's pretty straightforward, and that's how you change out your key fob. If your key fob's out of power, you can always put this next to the on-off switch and push the power button to turn on your car. Of course, you can use the metal key to basically open up your car as well. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more DIYs, car tips, reviews, and other Costco finds and everything else. A lot of stuff to do with cars and DIYs and stuff. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, subscribe, leave some comments below, and look out for more videos. Have a good one. Bye.